See that light? It's coming out. But before we do all that, you're gonna have to see what to do to get to those lights. Let's begin. Listen to me. If you don't like and save and share and throw me a bone with this video of taking this front end apart, please stop watching. It is very thorough and it's very, I did all the hard work so you don't have to struggle. So there you have it. Let's get started. Behold the Sierra. And I already started without you, as usual, because I wanted to see what I was up against. And these clips, just like all American clips, they suck. They're tight, they stay in, so what I did, I pushed them in and grabbed them because they fell on the floor. One went back behind here. So here's what we're up against. You gotta take this fender wheel well cover, or fender flares. These clips actually survived, which I'm surprised and glad that they did. You see how this one's still sort of in there? So that's how you take that off to get to this one lone 7mm. Now, aside that, you got two more 7mm. I'll show you on the other side. No, actually these are Torx. These are T15s. Gotta love them. Very, very tiny, and they'll wool strip. So that relieves the pressure over in the corner. That allows you to separate from this wonderful felt cover. Now behind that is attached to two more clips. So I use my wonderful fork tool to get back behind there. I thought it was only one. Nope, there's two. Now that is relieving the pressure. So now I can grab from here. It looks like it's coming off. So let's get the top out and continue on. Let's get all these clips out of the way and see this little indent right there. You have to get the centers out. You see how the center pops out? Let's get these out and see what's underneath here. See? Top comes off, center, bottom comes out. And just align back into each other. Let's get all 2, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, that many. So after that many, put in a safe spot, of course. This comes out, but of course, you have to, I guess, remove this so this can come out to get the bumper off. Are you kidding me? Maybe that's why the screws are here. God, I love the Americans. Yeah, you ain't getting this out without getting this off. Yep, gotta get it off. So stupid. Really is so stupid. So now we have a bare handle. Let's get this cover off. And since I was already loaded with my T15, safe spot. That is one empty void. 10 mils. 10 mil. 10 mil. 10 mil. Let's get these guys out. See what happens. Because we still have to get the rest of the side out. Okay, so you have little posts that you have to sort of lift up and out. You see? I'll show you when I get it off. There's little posts in here that are like guides that lock it back into place. So let's finish this side and see if I can get this thing off. Okay, so what I noticed was on the other side, I was nice and gentle. This time I pulled quickly. A quick jerk helped, but it's up to you. These all stayed. The other ones I had to grab out of them. So you see now, let's get that out. Alright, so here's what I noticed is easier. Go on both sides. Come on this side, and come on this side. Come on this side, come on this side. They'll come out just intact enough where you don't have to have any problems. Now, let's get the 7mm out. You can turn it just enough. You see, you just turn and get your drill in there. Then we get the T15s out, so we can get to those push pins. Put them in a safe spot. Now, this gives you access to see. You see that wonderful push pin right there, and then the one right behind it. I'm telling you, the faster the pull, it came right out. Didn't even have to use my tool. I was doing it on the other side just to test. So, still wrapped up around here. See? It's starting to come out. Let's get both hands, start pulling right here. I'm sure they're all just clips in here because these are already, I gotta pull this back out. You see, lean it forward. Looks like they're all just clips, yeah. A clip right there. I guess probably easier to squeeze it in. See it? Just squeeze that in. Let me go grab some tools. I have this. Yeah. Let's squeeze. So with some help from this, okay, so I'm pretty sure these will come out together. You see? Definitely looks like it comes out together. But it made it easier to pull these apart because I wanted to see what was back behind here. So once I get them off, see this little tab right here? That snaps into the grill. There's another one down there. So you want to line them back up. You see that bottom one? And there's another, just, it's very similar to these. With this, slowly, Wesley, slowly, I relieve the pressure. You do not want to pry against that glass because it is plastic, but you'll still break it. So let's get both hands, and you see some rubbing. And this, let's see if, yeah, see, it pops off. Let's see if there's anything else. No, tell me that 10mm got to come out. Is it connected? No. That's for these louvers. No, it is. Yeah, it's connected. That 10mm got to come out. There's a 10mm, right? Yeah, what is that? Why is it connected there? What's down here? Tell me it's a hidden 10mm. That's what it looks like. Now we gotta find this. That's stupid. So dumb. See, it's alright. See that little triangle right there? That black right there? You gotta see what's in there. So as loose as I got this, these came out from each other. So I guess you can pull this part away from the grill itself. So to get the grill out, look at this. It's a two-piece. So this black valance around here comes out separately. All right, let's get both hands. I gotta see what's up. I'm not liking that. That's definitely a bolt. Now that is some crazy-ish. Gotta love the Americans. You really do. You gotta give it to them. So these are all these style clips. And I was right. It is a bolt. It's a 10mm. So to get this big grill off, you gotta get that 10mm out. So not only is there one, there's three. There you go. Put them in a safe place. Now we pull upward and get the grill out. Yes. Let's leave them over here. That's huge. That sucks. And you gotta take this off to get the headlight out. That looks like it's a 10mm, two of them. 35 minutes later on my end, come to find out there's two bolts that you cannot get to. I guess you could. No, you can't because the grill comes this way. So you're getting the grill off, which I just showed you how to. So it's about 10mm, 10, 10, and two more, and we will see how much of a void this is going to be. Just when you thought it was just that easy, it's not. This one's right in front of you, this is right in front of you, that's right in front of you, these two are right in front of you, but not that one. Let's get her out. again, you have to give it to the Americans. I mean, I just fought for 10 minutes to try to get this light out, to try to get this wing out. There's no way unless you're removing the fender. But then I said to myself, this plastic louver thing is filled with 10 mils. Let's get those out and then get the lights out. So you got to take off 3 things to get that light out. That's so nice of them. And love the clips that just don't stay. So let's continue the journey. We're going to squeeze this back on and get that one out, that one, that one, that one, that one, and get them out to get this light out. Look how much more room you have. I'm surprised that thing hasn't fallen off. It's just jammed in there. I tried, but it's jammed. So now I can get the 210 mils after I squeezed, pull the safety clip out, pull this out. Look at this. All this. No, look at this. To get this light out. So, might as well continue the journey. Let's get this light out. Look at this. Look at this. Looks like Optimus Prime's forehead. His whole head. Look at this. This is what you got to do to pull this light out. Here's the part number. Oh yeah, that was fun. So now you took all those screws out, all the bolts. You're gonna put it back, because I'm not. Here's the part number of this one. So we're gonna put it back. I like the Velcro though. That's cute. Nice little touch. So I'm gonna say like it, don't like it. I sure as hell don't like it. I've been on this thing for an hour already. So whoever's installing new lights, maybe some Morimotos, that'd be nice. Since you spent all this time, we're gonna put it back and show you that we didn't touch it. Bolts are back in. 2, 3, 4, 5, and now we keep going. 6. Usually they say putting it back together is so much harder. It's taking it apart in this wonderful truck. Look, everything just snapped right back in with no problems. So easy. As long as you line them up. I put the bolts back in for the grill, and then you got just snap, 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 snap. One bolt. The rest is up to you because you already took it off. So there you go. Like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.